Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be preparing for a Friendsgiving at our house. I don't know whoever came up with this word Friendsgiving, but it is the actual best. It's like Thanksgiving with your friends. It is so fun. This is the second year that we're hosting it. I really enjoy it. I thought I would just take you along on the ride, maybe give you some tips along the way for making it easy and like fun. So if you're decorating for a party or an event, you don't necessarily have to spend a lot of money. I like to just go in my house and find things that I already have, like old books to decorate with. We got plants and candles and cutting boards and just little random things. I have this box thingy-majiggy. So yeah, you don't necessarily have to spend a lot of money, and so I think I'm definitely gonna go with the more terracotta themed party because that's what I have. And I did buy this, this is actually a little tip for you for finding fabric that is so cheap at Walmart. They have like these things for like 4 yards for like $3 or something, and it's really pretty. It's actually showing a lot brighter here in camera than it is in real life, but I'm using it as a table runner and possibly a dress, so that is not a bad deal at all. So yeah, I bought these at a yard sale a couple months ago, and I broke every single one on the way home. Ugh, I was so mad. I'm out on a walk and I'm cutting weeds and stuff like along the road for decorations, and it is just the most beautiful day. Another tip is to create a nice atmosphere. It's crazy that just by adding some lights like candles or string lights can completely transform a dingy old carport into a really pretty space. Another thing is to add plants or greenery of some sort, whether it's a big beautiful bouquet that you picked or you bought, or plant or some weeds along the road like I found, or just plants in your home, setting them on the tables, and it really makes the tables look nice. And another thing is music. Add music. I have Troy pick a Spotify playlist before the party, and he just plays it on a Bluetooth speaker, and it's just really nice. So one tip I have for you is to share the food load. With this particular group of friends, none of us really like to cook, but we still get around to each other's homes quite a bit, and I think it's because we share the workload. The host will plan the menu, like I'm gonna do one of the main things, and everybody else is just gonna bring something that goes with that. It's not overwhelming at all. I don't feel like I have to make this huge, massive, overwhelming meal that I'm stressing about for weeks, not at all. It might be weird to some of y'all who are just used to doing everything, but I tell you what, it's really neat, and you should try it sometime. And obviously I won't do this for like a casual dinner that I'm having somebody over. I'll just do the food. But when it's like a bigger deal, definitely have people pitch in and help if they want to. I just got back from Aldi and I was shopping for the party, and I was just going to show you what I got. I'm going to have a charcuterie board, and so these are the things I got to put on there. I do know right away that I'm missing, or have to go get a couple more things yet. Concord grapes, because they're the actual best. Dark chocolate, like a pepper jam, that clear pepper jam that you eat with like cream cheese and crackers, or over cheese. It's so good. But I got baguettes. These are the take and bake baguettes. They are so stinking good. Bologna, whipped cream cheese, blackberries, these things, which they look so good, and I've never tried them. Garden vegetable with sweet basil cheese. Brie, I think that's how you say it. I really hate this cheese, but I know it goes good with everything. Jalapeno cheese, gourmet spreadable cheese, garlic and herb. I thought this looked real good. Smoked white cheddar. I'm really into cheese apparently. Pretzels, oranges, apples. I might make like a dip for the apples, I'm not sure. Pears. I'm not gonna use like all the fruit, but I'm just gonna have it scattered around, maybe slice some of them open, kind of have it open and make it pretty like that. A cucumber, because gotta be healthy. Almonds. What else? Oh, these crackers, this perfect, exactly what I needed. It's like 6 different kinds of crackers, and so it's gonna go perfect with like the cheese. And I think that's it. There's a couple more things. Oh, I'm gonna have like pickled jalapenos. They are so good. And my latest crave, and they go really good with like cream cheese and crackers. Really good. So, what else? So I think that's it. But I hope you guys get a little bit of an idea of what to buy for a charcuterie board. This is a tiny little tray for the kids. I feel like the kids shouldn't be left out, so this is their table, so they're getting one too. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it inspires you to have people over and you have a little celebration. Life is worth celebrating, I think. If you enjoyed this kind of thing, please let me know. Like or subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.